We've had some driveway issues, and our 72-year-old neighbor was coming over to feed our cats, and she tripped over a big 4-inch rise that we had in the driveway, and she actually skinned her knee, broke her brand new iPhone. We had to get this fixed. So we actually had Phil come out, very nice guy. He went through everything. He did a nice drawing, gave us a good price, and the pricing actually was a better price with local people, and that's why we chose to go with LRE. When they came out, Cheyenne and Ryan did a fantastic job. They were very, very helpful and explained everything. They were kind and polite people. I feel confident in saying that LRE will do a great job for you. The communication was awesome with the office as far as scheduling, the payments, and the crew was here on time. You get a call when they're on their way, so you know when you can expect them. They did what they said they'd do at a fair price, and I'd highly recommend LRE.